Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing eggless gluten-free cookie recipe, and these cookies are vegan and made without all-purpose flour or whole wheat flour. These summer special eggless gluten-free vegan cookies are kids special cookies to munch on after summer activities to gain instant energy and strengthen bones. If you are new here, welcome to Homemade Flavors. If you like this recipe, please consider subscribing to Homemade Flavors for more healthy recipes. To start with our recipe, measure 1 cup of jowar flour and transfer to a pan. This jowar flour is an ancient gluten-free summer grain rich in fiber, protein, magnesium, iron, potassium, vitamin B9 and calcium. Now dry roast this jowar flour on low flame and keep sauteing continuously and fry it until nice aroma leaves out of it. As jowar flour is rich in folic acid and vitamin B9, it helps your body to produce and maintain new blood cells, and as it's rich in iron, helps to prevent anemia. Here our jowar flour is well fried. So now transfer to a plate and allow this to cool. This jowar flour helps in reducing the body heat and cools the body temperature. Now measure 2 tablespoons of sago or sabudana or tapioca pearls and 4 to 5 cardamom or ilachi. Sago or sabudana is gluten-free and is a great source of protein which is required for the growth of muscles. Now transfer this 2 tablespoons of sago and cardamom to a blender and blend this into a fine powder. Here you can see this fine powder is formed. Now to this add half a cup of palm sugar. This is organic palm sugar and contains less glucose and lower glycemic index than the normal sugar or honey or any sweetener. Here you can see fine powder is formed. Now transfer this fine powder to a mixing bowl. If you don't have palm sugar, you may add half cup of normal sugar as well. Now here I have this organic cold pressed coconut oil. I measured 1/4 cup of this organic cold pressed coconut oil and melted in a microwave. Now add this coconut oil and give a good mix so that this oil and sugar and tapioca flour combines well. The unique combination of fatty acids in coconut oil have positive effects on our health, such as boosting fat loss, heart health and brain function. Coconut oil also contains medium chain triglycerides, and hence when you eat medium chain triglycerides, they tend to go straight to liver and the body uses them as a quick source of energy or turns them into ketones. Oil and sugar is well combined, and by this time this jowar flour is also well cooled. So add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now give a good mix so that all this baking soda, baking powder and salt combines well with the jowar flour. Now carefully transfer this jowar flour to the liquid ingredients and give a good mix. In this recipe I used palm sugar instead of normal sugar because palm sugar helps to stabilize blood sugar levels better than any sweeteners. And also researchers found that glycemic index of palm sugar is 35 compared to the honey at 55 and normal sugar at 68. So these cookies are guilt free for all ages and can be enjoyed by everyone. Here the dough is well mixed, so take a lemon sized dough and press between the palms to form a cookie. In this recipe we added 2 tablespoons of sabudana that helps in repairing the damaged cells and tissues and also helps in the growth of the cells. Moreover, as the jowar flour is rich in phosphorus and calcium, it helps in strengthening the bones and muscles. So these cookies are best snacking option for kids during summer activities to cool the body heat and strengthen bones and muscles and to boost the brain function. Once all the cookies are formed and lined up on the baking sheet, top the cookies with the chopped almonds and cashews. After topping with the chopped cashews and almonds, give a gentle press so that they do not fall down. Now this baking sheet is ready to go into the oven that is preheated at 380 Fahrenheit and bake them for about 15 to 18 minutes. As the oven to oven temperature varies, wash them after 10 minutes. Here after 18 minutes our cookies are well baked. Now remove them from the oven and allow them to cool on the cooling rack for about 10 to 12 minutes. Here you can see these cookies are well cooled and nice color and texture of the cookie. These cookies are very soft and melting in mouth like the 90s butter cookies that we had during our childhood. And the best part of this recipe is these cookies are eggless, gluten-free, vegan and very healthy for instant energy during summer. So friends, try making these cookies and enjoy its health benefits. If you like this recipe, please consider subscribing to Homemade Flavors and press the bell icon for more healthy recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.